Safety is first priority of Air Products as well as us. We prioritize our safety and we take it very important.
Company has been in the business 40 years. It's a custom metal shop, and we also do production work as well at the same time. We deal with all type of material, hot roll, cold roll, stainless steel, aluminum.
We specialize in anything with metal. We have two types of laser. For both the machines, we use two types of gases. One is oxygen and the other is nitrogen. We've been working with Air Products for the past 11 years because their reliability of supply. Also because laser cutting labor is expensive and we cannot afford any downtime. We work with Air Products. They customize the system to meet the flow and pressure requirements for the laser. The purity of the gas increases the speed of the machine and the quality of the product. Air Product has commercial technology experts who provides 24/7 support.
We are dealing with Air Product last 10, 11 years. We like their service. We like everything what they deliver. And now we open a second location, and Air Product is providing the service for our new facility.